it's ready. Or where I have to stay. Okay, thank you. Hello, I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. When I'm not doing this video, I have to have money. Okay, I have to earn it, but okay, I'm joking. I want you to be ready when you come to Russia and decide to invite someone in the restaurant. You have to be ready to do it. So first of all, you should decide where you're going. So it can be fast food or fine dining or dinner. Well, you have to be ready for yourself at first. Decided. Okay, when you go to the restaurant, before it, you have to call at the restaurant and ask about table. So in English, you can say table, I need a table for 3 people, for 2, right? So in Russian, you can say, let's say put here this information to you, remember it. Столик для двоих. Столик, table, stall, but small one, столик, столик. Столик для. And after that, you should say how many people will be at this dinner. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So decided is it will be big party or just me and you. So first of all, you should say могу ли, can I, могу ли заказать столик на 2, для 3, на 4? Могу ли заказать столик? Can I order the table for 5 people, 6, 10? Or maybe you wanna go by yourself. It doesn't matter. You should ask. But after that, when you come to the restaurant, you will ask about menu. The same word in Russian, menu. It's a list with all information, with including tax, not like in America it will be maybe in the side, right? But in Russia, tax included inside of the menu. So menu, the same, menu, with information, с информацией. So first one for you, first information for you, it's a starter. Закуска, starter, закуска. Закуска. It can be shrimps, креветки. It can be salad, salad. Even maybe soup. Soup, the same. But okay, starter, it's like appetizer, right? But for us, it's just something like a salad. Закуска, salad. After that, maybe you are so angry and you are so starving, you want to eat more. And you can order some meat, мясо. Can be lamb, баранина. Can be pork, свинина. So can be chicken, курица. Курица, баранина, свинина. So it can be with a potato, картошка. It can be with vegetables, овощи, с овощами. So let's repeat after me. Мясо с овощами. Мясо с овощами. meat with vegetables, meat with rice, мясо с рисом. So shrimps, креветки, my favorite, with a lemon, с лимоном, with с лимоном, с соусом, with sauce, с соусом, with parmesan, with cheese, с сыром, сыр, cheese, can be just parmesan, maybe I love it, maybe just, you can say just name, and we will understand it. So, pasta, okay, for Italians, pasta can be, it's like normal food, but for us, we can eat pasta at home. So rare we ordered it in restaurant. So, but pasta can be also carbonara, for instance. So pasta, macaroni, but we are call it carbonara, for example, or just we can say just name of their pasta, but can be just macaroni с сыром, pasta with cheese. Okay, let's say you ordered everything. Let's say we'll explain how it should be. You can say меню, пожалуйста. Будьте добры, меню. Меню, пожалуйста. Будьте добры, меню. After that, when you take this menu, the waiter, our Russian friend, can come to you and ask, are you ready? Вы готовы? Вы готовы для заказа? For the order. Are you ready for the order? Вы готовы для заказа? You can say да, yes. Of course, if you are. And after that, you can just tell him meat, мясо с овощами. Meat with vegetables. Meat with rice. Мясо с рисом. Or meat with potato. Мясо с картошкой. We love it. In Russia, we have potato. I think potato include and everywhere in all of meals we have. So potato, it's Russian traditional, I know, cuisine. So after that, you should wait, maybe drink something, and you can order juice, sok, or tea, chai, coffee, water, вода. I like, it depends on the person, but I like water with a lemon. It's so healthy. I love it. If it's a breakfast, you can order, we have kasha. Kasha is just for breakfast, I guess. So kasha, it's porridge, can be with the milk, but sometimes milk instead of water. Sometimes it can be water instead of milk. But I don't like it, but all Russian have it in the breakfast. Okay, if it's lunch, it can be soup, or borscht. Maybe you heard about this. Borscht, we have borscht, it's like Russian or Ukrainian traditional dish. So it's so tasty and heavy with a meat, potato, and garlic. You should be ready for the garlic. If you want to go to the meeting after that, you have to be ready and not order this dish. After that, maybe if it's a dinner, you can order meat. I told you from before, so meat can be chicken, курица, lamb, so баранина, or pork, свинина, or it can be fish, even fish, рыба, fish, рыба, рыба. Okay. After that, you should ask about bill. Remember, don't go away without it. You have to pay, unfortunately, but restaurant needed. Bill, счет. Можете принести счет? Будьте добры, принесите счет. Можете принести счет? You can hear so often, посчитайте, пожалуйста. So count, please. But I don't think it's correct order. But better to say, can you bring the bill? Принесите счет, пожалуйста. Can you bring the bill? Принесите счет, пожалуйста. And after, when you pay for the bill, and of course it can be cash or credit card, it doesn't matter, but in Russia we prefer cash now. So it's legally, guys, it's really legally. So, and after that, it depends on you. You can put tips for the that waiter. Maybe he was not so good at his job or her job. Maybe you're not so lucky. After that, you're angry still and still starving after this dinner, and you can say just, okay, this bill, that's it, without tips. But if you put something, you should know this waiter after that can see how you respect them. So you shouldn't put 10%, 5%, 12%. It just depends on you. And this, your tips, okay, in Russia, tips, чаевые, just depends on you, depends on the client. So I think all of this information so useful for you, and I'm waiting when you invite me, maybe, and I will tell you what to do if you're confused.